Welcome to the third tutorial. So in this tutorial we will be talking about the database connection. So we're gonna be using Mongoose. But before then, let's do some cleanup because I found out there's some stuff. I need to put this up here. I need to push it up here and possibly add my JSON file. Sorry. I'm saying app.json expresses JSON file, and then app.use we're gonna say express the URL encoded extended to be true for now. So that is what I need to add here. But before then, I need compression. And didn't add helmet at the top, so to restrict the kind of header injection. Yeah, that's all I need for now. So let's go ahead and set our DB connection in the configuration. So DB connection.jx. So I'm going to import Mongoose from Mongoose. So I'll write a simple Mongoose connection. Of course, it should be an async. Mongo URL. Then, if it's connected, if there's no issue, we should get the result and log it. Database is successfully connected, and if there is an error, we should catch the error. We'll pass the error. So that is that for now. That is our simple code for database connection. So before then, let's set this. We'll come here. We'll set that. Then we'll open our Mongoose. Of course, the prerequisite is that you're gonna download. Have your Mongoose installed. Mongoose Compass. So I'm gonna. While it loads, let's go ahead and import. That is it's downloading. So let's click here and add a new Mongoose connection. We'll copy this. Let's call it let's call our database names AI site Jane. So let's keep it simple as that. Then we can come here in our project here and import our let's import from up. Import DB connection from config/db connection.js. Then we'll get this here, and because it's an async function, we have to await. That is all. That's all for now. So let's go ahead and restart it. Possibly there's no issue. Possibly there should be a I think let me allow it to start. It's gonna show me some errors, so let me possibly allow it to start. So I will solve that, use that to solve the problem that many of you are likely gonna face. It's gonna show me some errors because the reason it's gonna show me that error is that I've not started my engine because I'm using Linux. So let me start the engine by saying this systemctl. I will still start MongoDB, so I'll put my password. Yeah, so now if I start again, it should be able to connect. Yeah, it's connected. Database is successfully connected. Server is running and all of that. So that is for now. So let's go ahead and set up our routes. So we'll have the root route. It will just be an exportable function that will receive an app as a parameter, and let's say it will have all of the routes to play around with. So let's get the user route. Okay, Okay, let's say user routes. I will have all the login and everything. Or let's go with Auth Routes. Then this export default. Let's call it Auth Routes. I'm gonna import the router from Express. Initiate it. Initiate it. Then we can say, let's keep it simple for now. Post. Let's keep it simple for now. Nothing should just be here. Let's just define it this way. I say this is the sign up button, sign up endpoint. Then we'll go ahead and import it here. Auth Routes. Okay, that may cause an issue, reason being that let's go with router here. Yeah, let's go with router. So I'm going to import the router from the power import Auth router from route/authroute.js. So this should work perfectly fine, and I'm going to put something like this. Then we call our root route here. Let's bring it in here, and when everything is done, check and check, and then before we start the engine, let's load our route. Let's do this. Pass the route. That's all for now. Possibly no error. So that is we have set our user route. So what we're going to do is to connect. I will just make a duplicate here. So this is gonna be sign in. It's gonna be reset password. We could possibly have Google here to sign in with Google, and we'll have our Google callback. So that's what what we are going to define in our next tutorial. We're going to write a pretty code and initiate user model. Go ahead and make some other I want to keep the video simple, so 5 to 7 minutes, like make everything so easy so you will not get stuck, and you understand everything. So we'll pretty go with sign up, sign in, reset password. So if the 7 minutes is enough, we'll go with the next one. So see you in the next tutorial. We'll talk about the user models and controllers.